take a child who has a processing challenge, little slow processor, has some memory issues and retrieval issues, and let's throw some expressive language in there because they're a little bit anxious. Now we want them to write a 5-page paper, and they've got fine motor difficulties to go with it. Now you're taxing here, 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 you're taxing everything. So the symptom you're going to get, and that's the language that I want you to start to use when you're sitting at the table doing some of these planning with the staff. The symptoms you're going to get are, this is stupid, I'm not doing this. I'm never going to use this the rest of my life. Rip up the paper, not bring the materials, lose the book. Those are the symptoms you're going to get. But the true causal factors are something we got to get our head around. So I can now teach you some different ways to get the writing process out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.